welcome to Dear Onions. I'm Yeree. Today I'm just going to show you how to make easy stovetop rice. All you need is a saucepan with a lid, ideally heavy bottom, non-stick, a measuring cup, and your short grain rice. I use the same with the Basmati rice, and I've also used it with Jasmine Rice. Works perfectly every time. I'm just using sushi rice because I think that the Korean and Japanese sticky rice, it's the hardest to get right. First things first, just have to measure out a cup. About half a cup of dried rice per person is all you need. And you have to rinse the rice because I don't really know the reasoning behind it, apart from the fact that it's like been made and cleaned in a factory. You want to get all the grub from the rice out. You want a cup of rice, and I just rinse. Do this 3 times. Get your hand in there, you really rinse the rice. So it's pretty much drained. It doesn't have to be perfect. And then it's a 1-to-1 ratio. 1 cup of rice, 1 cup of water. I turn it on and I'll heat it on high till just before it's gonna start to boil. Like you'll see some bubbles forming, it'll simmer. But it only takes 2 minutes. So I turn it down to very low. This is the lowest my gas stove will go. I would say that if you were using a range, it would be like 2. The key is actually afterwards. As soon as the 17 minutes are up, turn it off, let it sit, do not touch it, do not open the lid, and you just let it steam. That creates the similar effect to the rice cooker. And it makes all the difference between like meh rice to like, this is well cooked rice, this is perfect. Do not check on it. Do not pass go. Do not collect your $200. You do not want to open the lid. I'm kidding. Do not open it. Koreans are not known for their patience. We say bali bali all the time. Means hurry, hurry. We're always being told to hurry. Every time. Even when we're in a hurry. Even when there's nowhere to be. We still have to bali bali. Timer's off. Turn off this. This is the magic right here. The steam, and you just let it sit for 10 minutes. And all you need to do is now fluff up the rice. See, each individual kernel has its integrity, and yet it is sticky. That is good rice. Perfect. Hope you enjoy it. Bye.